you have gotten that. And also, if you're on this call and you've not gotten your access to Nova University's dashboard, uh, please please do that. Reach out to me and I will show you how to how to get access. I know that FOB has been taking his course, and you will know that it is straightforward. It is step by step, and it will really help you. In fact, I'm hoping that the next cohort version of this class, it won't be a live class like this. It will probably be a set of pre-recorded lectures that you can take at your own leisure, because it will make more sense and it will be more convenient if you can just go through these classes at your own leisure. You don't have to worry about deadlines and all that stuff, right? Okay, sir. It's nice to hear that. All right, so today I want to show you guys how to create um, an e-commerce website. And the reason why I'm showing you how to create an e-commerce website is that, from experience, I know that people tend to buy e-commerce websites more, because a lot of, even if not e-commerce websites, sales funnel or sales landing page. All right, sales landing page, such that people can see the product, they can click on the product, and they can be redirected to maybe a checkout page, and they will be able to purchase the products maybe with their credit card or debit card. I'm going to try as much as possible to cover that in today's class, although I'm going to be pointing you to references on on things to, because as at this point there is something I really want to teach you, which is how to get answers by yourself. As a developer, this is one of the most important skills you must have, is how to get answers by yourself. When you're working on a project, or maybe probably you want to work on something, and nobody is an island of knowledge. It will get to a point where you just need to get answers by yourself. It's not every time that you will have to run to someone and say, please, I need this and need that. The number one thing is that Google is your friend and YouTube is your friend. Google is your friend, YouTube is your friend. It's very important for you to know that Google and YouTube, they are your friend. Whatever it is, anything you are going through, any error or anything you want to do, just go ahead and go to YouTube and search for it. Go to Facebook and search for it. Go to Google and search for it. It is almost certain. It is almost always certain that someone out there at some point in time have faced the same issue that you are facing, and they've stumbled on an answer and they've documented it online. So yeah, there is a lot of resources out there for us to use. The last class that we did, I show you how to purchase your domain and how to host your domain and install WordPress on a live domain. If you guys have been following the course on the dashboard, you would know how to do that. You know how to purchase your domain on Namecheap. Some of you are having issues with Namecheap. That's because you are not able to pay for your domain. That's because Naira cards, if you are using a Naira card, if you are using a Naira ATM card, credit or debit card, they have imposed a $20 limit on it, such that you can't pay more than $20 at a time, or even in a month. So the bypass is that we create a virtual card on Flutterwave, on Barter by Flutterwave, and we use this virtual dollar card to purchase whatever it is we want to purchase online, and it works out. I've been using it for a while now. It works perfectly and flawlessly fine. So that's the workaround. I just want to mention that to some of you that are having issues. And remember, if you're having any issue, please feel free to drop it on the group or just come to my DM, and I'm going to go ahead and attend to you. Okay, so as for today's class, I want to teach you how to create an e-commerce website. We're going to be creating something similar to this. I think I downloaded a page today and I want to show you. Just give me a while. I downloaded a page today. Okay. Oh, very good. Okay, now check this out. Check this out. This is a typical page that someone wants to use to sell a product. Can you see? This is a typical page that someone wants to use to sell a product. This is very simple. I mean, this is very simple. We should be able to do this, right? Oh, I'm not sharing my screen. Sorry. Okay, I'm sharing my screen now. You should be able to see my screen now. Okay, so I hope you can see my. Can you guys see my screen now? Okay, good. Now this is what I'm talking about. This is a really simple product page. Right, this is a simple product page. Now the truth is that a lot of people want to sell a lot of things online, and they need pages like this to be able to sell it. A single product page, because when you get to platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, people are really going to buy this kind of website from you. You know your friends, your people around you that want to create something like this, and we can easily create something like this and get paid for it. And even you yourself, let's say you have a product that you want to sell, you can quickly put together a product landing page that people can click on. They can pay with PayPal, or maybe they can click on, they can be redirected to their add to cart, and then finally they can go to a checkout page and all that stuff. So we're going to be doing something similar to that today. Do you understand? We're going to be doing something similar to that today. So the first thing that I want us to do, go to your dashboard. I mean, I'm not going to explain how to get here. I believe if you are on this call, you have gone through a training from me that will allow you to be able to get to this page, to get to a WordPress dashboard. All right. So I'm going to be continuing under that assumption. We need to install a theme. The theme, come to themes. All right. It is important that you install the same theme that I'm installing. I'll come to add new. Alright, come to add new, and then under add new, let's search for a theme called Wistify. Wistify is a free e-commerce theme. Alright, it's a free. The reason why I'm using Wistify for you guys is because it is free. Alright, now the one that I actually used to use is called Woodmat. It's called Woodmat. Woodmat is one of the best out there, one of the most popular and one of the best. Woodmat, but it is not free. Do you understand? In fact, if I show you the demo of Woodmat, it is awesome. It is very awesome. Way better than Wistify. But Wistify 2 is very good, and it is free. It has a pro version, but it is free. But Woodmat does not have a free version at all. The regular license for Woodmat is $59 on Team Forest. Alright, on Team Forest, so you can go ahead and purchase it for this. If you check the live preview, for Wistify, for this, you will see these are some of the demo websites that comes with it. These are some of the demo websites that comes with it, and it's awesome. Check this out. Just check this one out. See this e-commerce page. This was created with Woodmat. This is one of Woodmat's, this is one of Woodmat's demo. I'm going to be showing you how to create something similar to this today. So let's see. Can you see? Alright, this is Woodmat. This is the one I used to use anytime I want to create an e-commerce website. I use this particular one, but you have to purchase it. Alright, so the one we're going to be using is Wistify. Just go ahead and install Wistify. Alright, go ahead and install Wistify, and of course activate it. Go ahead and install Wistify and activate it. Now after activating, just like just like some of the previous themes that we used to activate, it will ask us to do some things. Maybe it will ask us to install some extra plugins that will allow our Wistify to run well. Do you understand? Now that we have activated it like this, if I should go ahead and, let's say, reload this page, if I reload this page, okay, okay, very good, very good. Wistify options and all that stuff. Okay, now I've already installed a new theme. If you go to your page now, you can see it is now different. This is how it looks right now. It is powered by Wistify. Alright, this is how it looks right now, powered by Wistify. We have another theme installed. So let's go back to our page, and we are going to import a starter template. It's supposed to ask us to install some stuff, but anyways. Okay, now before we import a starter template, we need to install a plugin. I hope you guys are following me. I hope you guys can hear me. Now, these things that I'm doing, they should not be new to you. They should not be new to you at all, because I mean, we've gone through all this. So go ahead and come to plugins, click on add a new plugin. We're going to add a new plugin that's going to enable us to add an e-commerce functionality to our website. And the name of the plugin, it is free, it's called WooCommerce. WooCommerce. Alright, the name of the plugin is called WooCommerce. Let me send it to you. Just go ahead and install WooCommerce. Alright, install WooCommerce. Go ahead and install WooCommerce. See, WooCommerce is the very first one here. Let's go ahead and install WooCommerce. It has more than 5 million active installation. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platform in the world. Go ahead and click on activate. Alright, go ahead and click on activate. Alright, so go ahead and click on activate. Then after you've activated WooCommerce, it will ask you to, you will just go through a normal setup, a normal setup wizard telling you that what is the address of your store. I mean your address. Just go ahead and put in your address. Just go ahead and put in your address. Alright, and then go ahead and continue. And then count me in, no count me in. Just go ahead and choose one. Someone is trying to join. I was just about asking of you, Miss Jacinta. I was just about asking of you, welcome, although you are late. So just go ahead and you can no thanks or count me in. Nothing, it doesn't matter, anyone you choose. And then you can go ahead and go to the next page. What does your store want to sell? What do you want to be selling on your store? Is it a fashion, apparel or accessories, health or beauty, electronics or computer, food or drinks, home or furniture? I mean, you get the drill. And if any of the stuff that you want to sell is not falling in any of this category, just go ahead and select others and put your description. I want to sell an online course, or whatever it is you want to sell. Just put it there. But for the sake of this, for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to select fashion and we're going to select electronics and go ahead and click on continue. And after you click on continue, what kind of product do you want to be selling? Is it a physical product that they will ship to the people, or is it a downloadable product? Maybe you want to sell a song. Some people they've recorded a song, they want to sell a song, or you want to sell photos, digital products now, things that you can download, or you want to sell an online course that when people pay finish, they'll be redirected to where they are going to download it. Or maybe probably you want to sell, all these downloadable products that are not physically tangible, digital products. You can click on downloadable products if that is what you feel you wish on selling. And also, if you want to create a subscription, if you want to WooCommerce has a subscription plugin like that, you can select this one as well. Bookings and other stuff. This is if you want to create some sort of hotel website. Alright, you can select the bookings or bundles, customizable products. Just leave the rest. just go ahead and select these two and continue. And saying how many products do you wish to display. Although this setup wizard that we are doing, it doesn't really affect like that. It's just for them to, someone said I can't install WooCommerce. I'm having problem. What problem are you having with WooCommerce? You shouldn't be having any problem with WooCommerce. Just click on install. It's very simple. Make sure you are connected to the internet. If your laptop is not connected to the internet, it's not going to install. Do you understand? And if you're having any problem, just reload the page and try and reinstall. Okay, so from there, how many products do you want to sell? 1,000 plus, depending on the number of products that you wish to sell. Alright, for now I'm just going to choose 11. Are you selling somewhere else? No. Am I setting up this store for a client? Let's say you are a developer and you are doing it for a client. You can decide to check this or not check it, and go ahead and click on continue. Do you understand? Uncheck this. Alright, if you don't uncheck this, it's just going to add a bunch of extra extra series to your page. Just uncheck this and go ahead and continue. Now we are going to be using Wistify, which is the theme in which we have installed. These are other themes that it is recommending for you. Some of them are paid. You can see $97 per year, $97 per year. Some of them are not free, but we are just going to go ahead and continue with the free one that we've already installed. Just go ahead and say continue with my active theme. Alright, continue with my active theme. So you've continued with your active theme, and boom, we are back on our WordPress dashboard, and we have our WooCommerce options. Real quick, let us set up our WooCommerce options. Do you understand? Come to settings here. Under WooCommerce, you now see that we have a new tab that says WooCommerce. Come to settings. Let me just show you around. This is where you are going to, when someone places an order on your website, this is where you are going to see your orders. If you click on this order tab, this is where you are going to see your orders, all the orders that people have made. We don't have any order now, so nothing is showing here. Do you understand? Nothing is showing here. So your customers, this is where you're going to find your customers. Alright, if any customer has logged in, they have purchased anything from you, this is where they are going to be. If you have any coupon codes that people can apply, this is where it's going to be. Alright, and what else? If you have any reports, status and extension, but I want us to go to settings. Click on settings. Under WooCommerce, go to settings, because we need to set up some things before we continue. This is where you can set your address, the things that we set when we were doing the setup wizard. You can come over here and recheck them and select your currency. Let's say you are building this stuff for someone that is not in Nigeria. You have to select currency, depending on the country. So if the person is in the US, you can select US dollars. This is Australian dollars and all those stuff. All currency is available here. Alright, so you don't have to worry. This is United States US dollars. Do you understand? Ugandan shillings, Ukrainian, whatever the hell that is, peso, we have all currencies available, but I'm just going to stick with our naira and save changes. Right? Save changes, and then come to product. You can see these several tabs. Let's just deal with the settings. Come to products. Alright, so if you come to products, shop page, so don't worry, I will explain this one later. Shop page, just select it as shop, just leave it as it is, and we really don't have anything to select here. Alright, and leave shipping alone. Let's leave shipping alone for now. It's not really that important for now. Let's go to payments. These are some of the most important ones. Let's go to payments. Now this is where you are going to select the type of payment you want people to make. All right, do you want people to be able to pay via direct bank transfer? Do you want people to be able to pay with checks? Do you want people to pay with cash on delivery? All right, you can enable them here, enable or disable them here. Do you understand? You can enable them or disable them here. All right, but I know what you are thinking about right now. We can't find card payment. Yes, there is no credit card or debit card payments yet. Now the reason being that there are several payments gateways that we can use with WooCommerce. There are several payments gateways that we can use with WooCommerce. My personal favorite, when you are working with a Nigerian client, this store is supposed to be used to sell stuff in Nigeria. Please always use Flutterwave, or Paystack. Flutterwave or Paystack. Please, if you need to write that down, write it down. Always use Flutterwave or Paystack. Now what you will do is you go to give me a while please. You go to plugin, you go back to plugin. Alright, we go back to plugin, we go and add new. We go and add the plugin that is going to enable us to make payments with Flutterwave. So you can go ahead and just type let's use Paystack. Type Paystack WooCommerce. Paystack WooCommerce. Alright, Paystack WooCommerce, and there you go. We have Paystack WooCommerce here. Alright, Paystack WooCommerce allows your store in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, South Africa to accept whatever the hell. Just go ahead and click on install here. Alright, just go ahead and click on install and activate. Go ahead and click on install and activate. Now we have already installed Paystack WooCommerce Payments Gateway. So if you go back to WooCommerce settings, alright, if you go back to WooCommerce settings and you go to payments, now the reason why I'm not doing this in depth is that I believe you guys are no longer novice. You should be able to work your way around the WordPress dashboard. You shouldn't be asking me questions like, how do you get ESR? How do you get DSR? Because you are not beginners anymore. I'm just showing you some advanced stuff. You are not beginners. You know how to work your way around a WordPress dashboard. Yes or no? That should be a resounding yes, right? Now if you come back to payments, we are going to see direct bank transfer, this and this, and you will see the third one, Paystack debit or credit. Can you see that? Can you see that? Very good. So you can go ahead and enable it. So when you enable it, people will be able to buy products on your website using their MasterCard, Visa card, Valve card, and all that stuff. So you can go ahead and click on set up. Alright, go ahead and click on setup so that we can configure it. We can connect this with our Paystack account. Alright, so just go ahead and title whatever you want to put it, debit and payment card, pay with your credit card. And if you are still testing, you can just enable test mode. Payment option, you can use redirect or pop-up. Anyone is good, but most of the time yes, it's pop-up. And now here is the beautiful part. You need to put your secret keys. Do you understand? You need to put your secret keys and public keys. Alright, now in order to get these secret keys and public keys, you need to have an account with Paystack. Alright, now in order to open an account with Paystack, go to a new tab and go to paystack.com. Go to paystack.com. I hope you guys are following me. Are you following me? Are you guys following me? This is very, very important. Are you following me? Is anyone following me at all? Okay, very good. Now one of your assignments today that I'm giving you is to open an account with Paystack. All right, go ahead and click on create free account. Go ahead and click on create free account. All right, so just go ahead and put in your whatever, your business name, your first name, your last name, your email address, and everything about you. And please select starter business. Make sure you select starter business. All right, and then you can select yes, I'm a software developer, and no, I'm not a software developer. But please select yes, I'm a software developer, and check this, and click on create my account. Do you understand? Check this and click on create my account. I'm not gonna do this because I have like 4 accounts with them already, so I'm not about to create another one. Do you understand? So just go ahead and do that. But me, I'm going to log in into one of my accounts right now. Let me log in into this one that I don't used to use often. Maybe this. Let me log in into these accounts. Let me log in into maybe this account. Okay, very good. So I already logged in into this account. Check this out. I already logged in into this account. Do you understand? Immediately after you are done setting up your stuff, you are going to log in into an account that looks like this, and you would have created a business. Don't worry, just follow it up. It's a very simple process. Whatever it is that Paystack asks you to do, just do it. But you are going to have a dashboard that looks like this. So immediately you have a dashboard that looks like this, your own will not be live. It will still be in test mode. Your own will still be in test mode. Oh, I'm having a call, please. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Mo wà pa sir. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ń pè yín padà in the next 1 hour, ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Okay. Can you guys hear me? Okay. You should be able to hear me. So just go ahead and create an account with Paystack, and just scroll down. Immediately after you've created an account with Paystack and you are here, just go ahead and go to settings. All right, click on settings. I'm recording this call. I'm going to send you recordings of this call. Immediately after you click on settings, you are going to see this tab: profile, compliance, account, team, preference. Where you want to go is API key and webhooks. Click on API keys and webhooks. All right, so you are going to have live secret, you're going to have test secret, you're going to have live callback, live webhook. What I need you to do is to scroll down and let's select the test ones. All right, just for testing purpose. Go ahead and copy your test keys, test secret keys. Go back to your website and put it here. You can see test secret keys. Just put it here, and then test public key. Go back to your Paystack and copy test public key, and go ahead and paste it here. Do you understand? Now, when you want to go live, these keys will allow you to just test stuff. Real payments will not be made. Let's say now you are ready. You are actually ready to start receiving real payments. You uncheck this. Do you understand? Immediately you uncheck this, enable test mode. You have already deactivated it. It has changed this thing to live secret and live public. So what you need to do is to come here and copy your live secret and live public. I'm not going to copy that because this is secret, this is a live account. I'm not going to copy, I'm not going to show that to you guys here, but you understand. Just copy these things, and what I need you to do right now is to come over here, and you see this thing in red, this red thing here. You see this red thing here, this red link here on top. Copy it here, and come and paste it in live webhook and test webhook. Just paste it there and save changes. Alright, just go ahead and save changes. Very good. So we are almost good to go. We are almost good to go. So we have successfully set up. Just go ahead and save changes. And if you want people's order to be automatically completed when they pay finish, you can click on this auto complete order. But I won't advise you to do that. You want to be able to see if that payment actually goes through. And then, I mean, depending on the application, if you want, people to, because I'm also using Paystack for Nova University when you want to purchase the course. But then I had to check this because immediately after you have already paid and it is confirmed that you have paid, I just want you to have access to the course directly. Do you understand? But if you are paying with direct bank transfer, I won't give you access immediately after you finish. I would want to check if the payment has entered my account before I give you access. So most of the time I'll check this and just go ahead and save changes. So we have set up card payment. Let's go back. Just click on payment. In case you want to set up direct bank transfer as well, you have checked direct bank transfer. Go ahead and click on manage. Go ahead and click on manage, and description, whatever description you want to give it here. Instruction you want to give people, you can say send me a WhatsApp message here and put your phone number with your payment proof immediately you make the transfer. Alright, you can do that. And account details, put your account name here, put your account name here, put your account number here, put bank name here, bank sort code is not really necessary. IBAN, this is for Yibo banks. Swift, if you want to put that, just go ahead and save changes. Alright, just go ahead and save changes. So immediately after you have done that, immediately after that is done, just go ahead and you can check account and privacy or check other things, but other things are not really important right now. I just want to go, I'm still going to point you to an online tutorial that will teach you this thing in depth, but I just want to give you the whole overview of how things look like. So we have successfully just configured our setup payment on our WooCommerce. So the next thing I want us to do is to create a product. You see another page here, you see another tab here that says product. Click on product. Click on product. Let's create a product. Go ahead and click on create a product. Create a product. So we are going to create a simple product for now. Alright, and the product that we are going to be creating is this. Let me see the image that we can download. The product that we are going to be creating is, let's say, this wristwatch here. Let me save this image. Oh, it's a WebP image. Oh, imagine. Okay, we'll download image online, don't worry. So we can say Apple Smart Watch. Alright, we can say Apple Smart Watch. Alright, Apple Smart Watch, and we can put a description of Apple smartwatch. Apple Smart Watch has long battery life, and all the sweet things you want to write about Apple smartwatch, you put it here. Alright, and then you can go ahead and set the price. the price of Apple smartwatch is, let's say, 45k, and the sales price, let's say, I mean, you want it to be on sales. You know what it means to be on sales. Maybe you want to have a main price and you want to have a discounted price. You can put the discounted price here, maybe 10k discounted. So it will put 45k plus, and 10k will be the price that you're going to pay. You can do a scheduled, a scheduled sale. Maybe you want it to be on sale between, maybe for 1 week, between today on the 20, and you want it to end, the discount to end on the 31. So it should only be available from on the 20 to on the 21, or the 31, and it should automatically cancel this thing. Alright? But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to remove this as well. So you can go ahead and add, some of the other things. And then it's a simple product. If this product you are adding is a downloadable or virtual product, you can go ahead and click on downloadable or virtual. Do you understand? But I'm not going to do that now. We need to add a product image gallery, product image and product image gallery, and also put product short description here. All right, let's put Apple. I hope you guys are following me. So let's go ahead and download some Apple Watch images. Alright, save image, and save image, save image. Okay, so you can just go ahead and download some random image online and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and set a product image. Now the difference between product image and product gallery image is, you are going to see product image is the main image you want to show here, showing like this, the main image. This is the main image. You can see when I hover over it, it is changing to some other image. Those are some of the gallery images, but make sure the main image you want to show is what you put under product image. So just go ahead and let me select this. Go ahead and select this, and then come to gallery image. This is where you're going to put all other images that you have. Hold Control and then just click on the images that you have and enter them. Do you understand? Hold Control down on your keyboard and then select the images that you want, and go ahead and publish. Go ahead and publish. Now if you click on view products, you've created a product now. So if you go ahead and click on view products, you should be able to see. You should be able to see what your product looks like now. So I have created a product. This is a product. I have created a product that people can add to cart and buy. Do you see that? I'm actually going to, these are the gallery images that I created. You can see the other images that are there. So if you go ahead and you click on add to cart right here, it will add to cart. This beautiful side thing came with the theme. So you can go ahead and proceed to check out from here. Now the reason why we could do this, we could add this extra functionality, is because we've added WooCommerce. WooCommerce is the one doing all this magic for us. So you can go ahead and put in your name and your whatever and everything about you, and then you can go ahead and say, do you want direct bank transfer? Oh, why is it showing only direct bank transfer? Sorry, I think sorry, let's go back to, I want to check something because it should be showing card payment as well, but I don't know why it's not showing card payments. Let me go back to WooCommerce and WooCommerce settings. let's go to payments, and it is on. It's actually on. Is actually on, then we should be having a second payment option here. Let me reload. It's not showing. Okay, we'll deal with that later. And you can click on place order. Sorry, just go ahead and put in all these things. You can click on place order, and when you place order, it will tell you that order has been successfully placed, and it will give you the bank details for you to put in stuff, and then it will tell you, your billing details and all those stuff. And lo and behold, if you go to your dashboard, all right, if you go to your dashboard and you go to under orders, if you go to under WooCommerce orders, if you go under orders, you are going to see you have a new orders 28 seconds ago, and you can go ahead and fulfill that order. So the status of the order is on hold. Maybe after you are done doing the shipping and the person has paid and all that stuff, you can go ahead and open the order and then choose action. Sorry, not even choose action. And status, under status, you can go ahead and change it to completed. After you change it to completed, you can go ahead and update that order, and then that order will be completed. Alright, that order will be completed. That order will be completed. Very good. Now, I have successfully taught you how to, I have successfully shown you how to create a product. Do you understand how to create a product? Now, we already created a product. Please don't forget, we already created a product. We have a product. If you go under products, all right, we have a product here. You can create as much products as you want. You can go ahead and add new and create as much products as you want. All right, but this is the only product that we create. I'm not going to create more. Let's just leave it like this, right? Now we can now create a page that will look like this. All right, we can now create a single page for the watch like this, and then we now have a buy now button, and this buy now button will now be connected to the link of this product. Copy product link. This is the link of this product. Do you understand? If I paste this link here, this is the link. Oh wait, sorry. If I paste this link here, this is the link of this product. Can you see? Products, Apple Watch, whatever. So if you click on enter, it will always redirect you to the product that you just created. So the link of this product is what I will copy, and I will put inside this button here that I have already created and built with my Elementor. So you put it inside this button here, such that when people click on it like this, they will be redirected to this product, where they can read all the super story that you've already written about it. Do you understand? In the description, and also in the short description here, and they can say they want to buy 2, they want to buy 3, they want to buy 4, and they can click on add to cart. All right, they can click on add to cart, they can click on checkout, and they can purchase. Do you understand? I think the reason why we are not seeing this is because we've not we've not put in our live key on Paystack. We've not put in our live key. All right, we've not put in our live key. Maybe after we are off this or maybe after we are off this call, I will probably just add the live key so that we can see, right? And this is not even on my account. This is my this is my fiance's account, so I don't know her password. It is saved on my laptop. So because if I try to view this, it will ask for the password. Okay, maybe I can do this. Okay, let me quickly, I'm coming, guys. I'll stop sharing my screen so that I can do that. But then it's still going to show in the recording, so it doesn't matter. Let's continue. I'm not going to do that now, actually. So it's still going to show in the recordings. If I hope you guys are still following me. I hope you understand what we are trying to do now. We copy the link of the product and we put it in the page that we've already designed. Alright, so in order to design a page, we already know how to do that. We already know how to design a page, which is with Elementor. We've not installed Elementor. We are going to go to plugins, add new, add Elementor. I hope you have learned something in today's class. We are going to add Elementor. Elementor is what we used to design pages now, Abby. You remember? Are you guys following me? Is anyone still following me? Do you understand what I'm teaching you? Very good. So if anybody wants to create an e-commerce page or something, so we now go ahead and create, okay, let's activate WooCommerce. Sorry, let's activate Elementor Page Builder. We are going to have 2 assignments today. Assignment number 1, create a Paystack account. Do you understand? Create a Paystack account. Alright, and create a Paystack business and all that stuff. Assignment number 2, I will send you a video. I will send you the link to a video that you are going to watch and implement. Alright, if you don't have a domain, implement it on localhost. And submit that assignment and let me see. This is very important for you to practice. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and skip this. I'll just cancel this. Okay, very good. I've already installed it, so I don't need to go into all these things in depth. Alright, can you see it is telling us please enter your Paystack merchant details here to be able to use Paystack WooCommerce plugin. That is the reason why we are not seeing our pay with card yet, because we've not enabled that. I don't think you guys are gonna rip me, so let me just go ahead and do that. So let me go ahead and do that so that let me enable test mode. Okay, so let's try that again. Let's reload the checkout. And you can see we now have debit and credit card. All I just need to do is to activate the payments, whatever, demo payment. So if you click on debit or credit card, you can place order with debit or credit card, and then it can take you to Paystack, where you are going to pay with Paystack. It will redirect you to Paystack, where you are going to pay with Paystack. Do you understand? So you can pay with card, you can pay with USSD. Do you understand? So let's just say success and make payments, and then if you tell you payment is successful, immediately payment is successful, should redirect you to the checkout page. Thank you, your order has been received, and that's all. You understand that point now. You see that it's very, very simple. It's very simple. Alright? It's very, very simple. It's as straightforward as that. So all you just need to do is to put in your, just make sure you enable test mode, or if you are not using test mode, make sure you have your live key or public key here. I've already shown you how to get that on Paystack. Assignment number 1, create the Paystack account and send me a screenshot of your Paystack dashboard. That's assignment number 1. Alright, please give me a while. I want to drink water. All right. So let's go back to, let's go to pages, add new. Let's just type product. Let's create a page called product. So let's create a page and call it product. All right, and let's go ahead and publish this page. We are going to be finishing this class very soon because I have a meeting by 9 o'clock and I need to prepare for that meeting. So let's go ahead and click on product. Now, I've already made the point I want to make. All right, I've already shown you, you know how to create pages with Elementor. That's not new. I'm just going to try and clone this page real quick. All right, but I mean, I know you guys can do that. I can send you this so that you can go ahead and clone it. Alright, I can send you this image so that you can go ahead and clone it. Let's download this image. Okay. Alright. Let me send it to our WhatsApp. You can go ahead and clone it. I already sent you this page. Alright, you can go ahead and clone it. You know, creating this page is not the point of this class. The point of this class is to show you how to create a product, install WooCommerce, add card payment and all that stuff. You have learned a lot in this class today. Do you understand? So what I'm going to do is to put a single a single section, and the first thing is that we have a very big future of tech is here. All right, just go ahead and put in an heading that you centralize that says future of tech is here, and then go ahead and give it maybe change the typography to poppins. All right, make it more bold, maybe 800 bold. Increase the size, and give it space. Go to the section and give the section a top padding. Give the section a top padding of like 100. All right, maybe another bottom padding of like 100. Do you understand? And then after that we have this blah 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 section here. So go ahead and come ahead and give text editor. Do you understand? Alright, and make sure you centralize that as well. Centralize that and try and compress it together. You can give it a left and right padding. Alright, you can give it a right padding of like, let's say 100. Give it a left padding of 100 as well. Maybe 200. Yeah, I think 200 is cool. 200, so that it should be like this. And maybe you want to give it a little bit top padding of like 40. No, 40 is too much. Maybe like 10. And the most important thing while cloning this is this very big very big button, this button here that says buy with PayPal. So what we are going to put is a button. We're going to put a button that we're going to centralize. The button will say buy Apple Watch now. All right, but the link we are now going to put here, who can tell me the link that we are going to put here? Who remembers the link we are going to put here? The link we are going to put here is the link of the product that we created. Go to the product. All right, click on all products and go ahead and copy this link. This is the product. All right, if you edit the product, if you click on edit product, Please, guys, give me a moment. I'm having a call. Hello? Hello? Are you at work? Okay, very good, very good. No, meeting soon. I'm in a meeting. Sorry? Okay. I hope you guys can still hear me. Go ahead and copy this link. Alright, copy link address and just paste it inside this buy Apple Watch. Paste it inside this link here. Paste it here. And go ahead and update changes. Do you understand? And then we can look for the image. We can look for that image. Alright, we don't have this image. Let me see if I can get an image that is similar. Let me go to pixels.com and search for Apple Watch. I'm trying to look for an image that we can use in that state. I mean, finding the right image is very important. Finding the right image is very important, but you know, that's not the point, but you shall understand what I'm doing. If we download this one now, if we download this one, let's say I'm downloading Medium. Alright, and I go here. I can put in an image here and try to upload this, but that's not even what I'm going to do. You can go ahead and make it smaller from here, but maybe not that. Let's put it as background and shift it downward. Alright, we can add it as a background. We can add it as a background instead. We can add it as a background instead. And maybe position should be set bottom center. Top center. Top center. Where is top center? Maybe top center, and repeat is no repeat. Size is auto, or size is contain, or size is let's say cover. Alright, and we are going to go ahead and increase the height, minimum height. Maybe this image is not the best. This image is not the best to use. In order to get something that looks like this, if I find an image that looks like this, it will be very good in order to bring out what we are trying to do here. But I can't find an exact image that looks like this to just place at the bottom here. You guys understand what I'm saying? So but I'm going to improvise. I'm going to remove this image since it's not making it look good. I'm going to remove this image. Alright, and I'm going to do something else. I'm going to put an image like this, and I'm going to use one of these images here. Maybe this one or this one. Alright, and I'm just going to reduce the size, the width. I'll reduce the width into something like this. I'll reduce the width to something like this, and maybe give it a little bit of upper space, give it a little bit of upper margin, or like 40, and update. I'll go ahead and maybe see how it looks like. Can you see we're already getting there small. We're already getting there small. Can you see? This is how it looks like. We're already getting there small. So you can continue building like this. I mean, I already taught you guys how to do something like this. So today's tutorial is not about building the page. Today's tutorial is about showing you how to. So when you have a product landing page like this, and you click on buy Apple Watch now, guess what? You are going to be taken to the exact Apple Watch, and people can add to cart, and people can view cards, yeah. All right, they can proceed to checkout, and they can actually, buy from you. They can select direct bank transfer or credit card or debit card and place order. All right, do you guys understand? Do you understand today's class? Now your assignment, because I need to go right now, I'm having another meeting, I need to step into another meeting right now. So your assignment for today's class, assignment number 1 is to create a Paystack account. Assignment number 2, clone this page and put your product link in this button here. Your product link, put it in this button that is here. I'm going to drop the replay of this class for you so that you can follow my step-by-step process. Number 1, in fact, let me list it for you. Assignment number 1, install and configure WooCommerce. Install and configure Wistify. That's the theme. Number 2, install and configure WooCommerce. Number 3, create a product. Number 4, create a Paystack account. Number 5, install Paystack for WooCommerce plugin. Number 6, connect your API keys with WooCommerce. Connect your Paystack API keys with WooCommerce. And number 7, build the landing page and connect the button with the product. That's your assignment. I hope it is clear. Everyone, is it clear? Please let me know if it is clear. You can unmute your microphone and talk to me. We are done with the class. Do you have any questions? Or is anybody even listening to me?
It's clear.
Okay, very good. So, how many of you want the recording of this class? Do you want the recording of this class?
Yes, please.
Okay, very good. How many of you have learned something in this class, in today's class? Now, this is what I'm going to ask you. I'm going to send a link. Someone said clear but not what? Someone said clear but a lot technical. Of course, it is technical. Yeah, it is technical. That is why I'm going to release the replay of this class, and you're going to sit down with it and go through it step by step. I mean, that is the point of an advanced class. All right, we are not supposed to be sitting down and be doing, this. No, that is the point of an advanced class. This is not to teach you how to build with Elementor. We've already done that. You already know how to do that. So this is an advanced class. Do you understand? And if you follow the step-by-step process, you'll be able to create a product landing page, and you are a step closer to getting paid a lot, because people are really looking for people that will help them create a page like this, that they can run advertisements to, and people can click on buy now. People that can click on buy now and actually pay. There are a lot of people that are selling online courses that they want to create how people can pay automatically and download their online courses. If you can do that, people will pay you. I hope you can see the possibilities of things you can do with today's class that I just taught you. It's not just about teaching you the skill, it's about teaching you the skill that is most probable to give you money. So yeah, God bless you. I need to step into another meeting right now. Alright, the recording will be sent. I'll try and send the recordings tonight. Alright, I'm recording this class. We've already spent more than 1 hour. So yeah, I will stop recording.